This is day 1 of lesson 3. The theme is writing. Let's say the words together. I'll go across. They're in alphabetical order. Repeat after me. Abbreviate. Compose. Essay. Persuade. Portfolio. Publication. Quotation. Support. Tense. Voice. Now let's move to the first exercise. In the first exercise, you will read the sentences aloud and you will say the vocabulary words correctly, as best you can. You can try over and over again until you get it right. Abbreviate. If you abbreviate a word, you shorten it. The image here of the boy holding the letter is an example of some abbreviations. There are some abbreviations in his letter. For example, the Mr. in the name is abbreviated. The long version, or the actual spelling of the word Mr. is M-I-S-T-E-R. The abbreviation is capital M-R, period. Can you find other abbreviations on this letter? Let's move to the second sentence. Compose. When you compose a story, you write it from scratch. Essay. An essay is a nonfiction piece about a single subject. Persuade. When you persuade someone, you convinced that person. Portfolio. A portfolio is a collection of work samples gathered in a folder. Publication. A publication is printed material, such as a magazine. Quotation. When you write exact words that someone said, that's a quotation. Support. When you support a statement, you confirm it. Tense. Tense tells when the action of a verb happens, like in the past, the present, or the future. Voice. A writer's voice is how he or she expresses things. These sentences may not be used for meaningful sentences on day 5. They are more like definitions than they are meaningful sentences. They may not be used for meaningful sentences. Let's move to the next exercise for day 1. Here, you have 10 sentences where you need to fill in the blanks with the 10 vocabulary words. You use 1 vocabulary word for each blank. There are 10 vocabulary words. There are 10 sentences. No vocabulary word needs to be used 2 times. Please read the sentence carefully, all of the sentences carefully, and use what you know. Write the best vocabulary word to complete each sentence. If there is one that you do not know, please skip it and move on. And then when you go back to it, you'll have a smaller amount of vocabulary words to choose from.